Hi everyone, I'm so excited today because I just bought the new Glock 19X MOS. The Glock 19X MOS was released at the 2024 SHOT Show, that's right. And this is my old Glock 19X. What's the difference? Well, this is the same gun. The only difference are the Glock 19X MOS come with the threaded barrel, the co-witness, suppressor height, sight, right? Look at that. Anyway, and it comes with the MOS optics cut slide right here. The old one doesn't. So anyway, if you're planning to buy the 19X, just skip the 19X, just go to Glock 19X MOS. Love you guys. Bye.